guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a ringtone on any kind of phone from Zedge. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to Zedge. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's go back. Let's press later. Okay, you want to go to featured. Here's all the things. You want to press the three lines up here, ringtones. Then there's That's What I Like, I Spy, Shape of You, Bad Emboju, Relay, Old Telephone. Any of these you can do. I'm gonna do That's What I Like. You want to click on That's What I Like. You're gonna go here, set ringtone. You're gonna go home. You're gonna want to go to settings, and then you're gonna want to go to sound and notification. This is the little settings bar. You're gonna go to phone ringtone, and you're gonna want to go to That's What I Like. Okay, so you press set ringtone, and you have your ringtone. I'm gonna make sure you guys know. So I need to walk over here. So I'm gonna call you from my dad's phone. So this is what it looks like. So you're gonna want to call. This is what it sounds like. You'll listen. Let it load. Yeah, so that's how you set up a ringtone. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And comment down below what other videos I should do next. Bye! Love you guys!